Hey, good morning everyone. I got a little something here that I picked up yesterday. Another batch of wheat scents, and this time it's a little bit different. These are actually separated by decade, which is interesting. And I made this purchase a little bit differently than what I would typically make a batch wheat scent purchase. Being that you buy a bag worth and then you pay 3, 4, 5 cents a piece, however much it comes out to. This transaction was a little bit different. So in this bigger bag right here with the crispy plastic is 1,196 total pieces of 40s and 50s of varying degrees of mint marks. So I'm expecting to find Denver and San Francisco included in there, and they all came in this kind of like older canvas bank bag. Then there was the 1930s. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. There was a little bag here that I ended up paying, I think, 10 cents a piece for. Not sure quite what's in there. I see a few mint marks. This one, I pulled a handful out, and that's interesting because there's a lot of Denver and San Francisco represented coins in here, and it looks like a vast majority is of that mint mark. So we're gonna look through this. We're gonna look through this, and the 40s and 50s. I'll go through those 4 varieties, and then finally, this is what I paid up for right here. So we have a singular batch of 113 1920s Lincoln cents. I paid 20 cents for. So I would assume these are all Philly minted coins. And then here's the big dog right here. Little Better 20s. 89 of them. I paid 50 cents a piece for them. That's usually a lot higher than I would typically pay for this. Will I find a 22 plain? Odds are probably not. I probably won't even find a 22D in here, let alone a 24D, which are the two kind of like key dates. 26S may pop up in here. If I found 1 or 2 of them, that'd be great. That'd be gravy. Hopefully the condition will be decent enough to, kind of help recoup some of the money. But for 1920s, that's about the going rate. I've paid, at the very least, 25 cents a piece for them in the past, but the coins all look pretty good. Especially the older dated coins. I found that, just looking through the plastic, a lot of them are VF and higher. So I'll do separate videos on the 30s, the 20s. I'll go through these and, like normal, I'm going to find varieties, repunch mint marks, double dyes, any sort of dye errors may exist in these batches. But overall, we have here approximately, let me see, there's 643 of the big bag of 30s. We got probably maybe 20 or so in there. Nearly 1,200 there. 113 and then 89. You're looking at about 2,000 total pieces of Lincoln wheat scents that I'm going to go through. I'm going to fill albums, look for varieties. If there's any key dates that apply, we're going to take a look at those as well. And I'm going to do a bunch of separate videos highlighting like nice finds and stuff. Hopefully there's going to be some, but you guys wish me luck. Appreciate your guys' check-in this morning. So I'll be working on this throughout the weekend. And you never know. Something good may come out of it. Again, this is my newest batch of Lincoln wheat scents that I'm going to go ahead and take a stab at. And you never know. Something good might come out here. So, hey guys, appreciate a like down there. If you go ahead and whack that button for me, that's the best way you can support my channel. As always, thank you guys for all of your support. And, of course, keep an eye out on some of these update videos on any finds. Talk to you soon. Again, this is Blue Ridge Silverhound, and I'll see you again.